So until you get...
Bravo Sierra Victor, you can taxi to holding point Golf 17 left.
Taxi to holding point Golf 17 left, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, remain this frequency until you got your clearance.
Bravo Sierra Victor.
Lovely.
And Moorabbin going to for Mike, request taxi to be open.
Uniform Mike on Bravo, cross 17 right to
We'll
the
go around to the left.
I'm Bravo, cross 17 right to be open, uniform Mike.
Very good. Okay, so we can expect a downwind departure from 17 left. And we will depart in accordance with our clearance, which we'll get shortly, but we can expect that they'll probably start vectoring us. They'll probably get us to contact departures on 1294, passing around 2,500. That's what I would expect. But yeah, that's a general plan about what we'll be doing.
Bravo Sierra Victor, clearance Moorabbin, Melbourne, planned route 6,500.
Moorabbin, Melbourne, planned route 6,500, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, a requirement to hold overhead Moorabbin at 6,500 and leaving 2,500, contact Melbourne departures 129.4.
Hold over Moorabbin at 6,500 and passing 2,500. Contact departures on 129.4. Bravo Sierra Victor. Moorabbin Tower, Bravo Sierra Victor, ready 17 and left for Bendigo.
Bravo Sierra Victor, line up.
Lining up, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Awesome. Okay, time check is 2:07. We've started the timer and strobes can come on.
Bravo Sierra Victor, traffic Cessna getting airborne to remaining the circuit, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, copy traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor. Okay, we're lined up.
Nicely done. Off we go.
Off the brakes.
Tango Papa Whiskey, turning downwind to Tango.
Take Papa Whiskey, follow Cessna mid downwind.
Tango Papa Whiskey.
Speed's alive. All temperatures and pressures are in the green.
Beautiful.
55, 60 and up we go.
Nicely done. 100% on instruments, on upwind 10 degrees, nose up. Looking for that best rate of climb, 74 knots.
Whiskey Hotel Alpha, traffic Cessna just airborne's climbing to overhead Moorabbin, 6,500, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, copy the traffic. Whiskey Hotel Alpha. And Moorabbin Tower, Chief into uniform Mike, ready 17 left, sorry, departure to Albert Black Lake, request right 10.
Still uniform Mike, roger, hold position.
Hold position, uniform Mike.
Oh.
All good.
500.
Now make it a lazy circuit, so really gentle angle of bank because we want to get as high as we can as soon as we, because we need to be overhead at above 2,500 before we can track overhead, as in over the other side.
Pacific Gulf Quebec, follow Cherokee mid downwind.
Quebec.
Roll it out there.
X-ray Hotel Romeo, clear to land.
Clear to land, X-ray Hotel Romeo.
Some feet. Dim traffic ahead out there.
He's levelled off.
So give me that call again.
All it needs to be, Melbourne departures, Bravo Sierra Victor, climbing through 2,500 for 6.5 technically. Don't even have to say we're in the hold. So just your altitude that you're passing and the altitude we're climbing to.
Clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, make a share around November.
Okay, so we're...
Zulu Echo Hotel, contact departures 118.9.
And it's Melbourne departures.
Departures 118.9 is at Echo Hotel.
Melbourne departures, Cessna 172, Bravo Sierra Victor, passing 2,500 for 6,500, holding overhead Moorabbin.
Bravo Zulu Victor, Melbourne departures. Correction, Bravo Sierra Victor, Melbourne departures. G'day, identified.
Bravo Sierra Victor.
Nicely done. So we just continue the climb and continue the hold. So another 1 minute on the outbound leg and then we'll make the left-hand turn again. Do it all over again.
Bravo Sierra Victor, you happy to cancel the hold?
Affirm, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, cancel hold. Resume our navigation, track direct to Melbourne.
Track direct to Melbourne, resume navigation, Bravo Sierra Victor. So we can go right, can't we?
Either way, doesn't matter. Yep. Back to Melbourne, so we intercept our planned route on the GPS and our initial heading.
And get rid of the timer.
So timer F, good, and bring FPL up. So click FPL button, that'll bring up your tracking distance.
So 315.
Nicely done.
Center Echo Sierra Oscar, correction approach Echo Sierra Oscar, any chance we could get about 10 minutes of air work overhead to Avalon?
Echo Sierra Oscar, do you want to maintain 5,500?
Yeah, if we could, that'd be great, thanks.
Echo Sierra Oscar, roger, operators required over Avalon, maintain 5,500.
Keep going through.
Operators required, maintaining 5,500, Echo Sierra Oscar.
So we can use the CDI to help. So bar's fully deflected off to the right, so we'll do an intercept of around 30 degrees, so turn towards north. We can make it about 350. Wait until that bar centres, and then we turn to our planned heading. Yep, about there should work really well from this distance. And you can set your heading bug on our course. This bit's the easy bit, we just do what we're told.
Yep.
Cool. So that's saying we've got 1,000 to go. Make sure you keep wings level.
I was trying to get back on. Wandering off.
Bravo Sierra Victor, turn right, heading 350.
Heading 350, Bravo Sierra Victor. Okay, so...
Another 10 degrees on the heading bug. There we go. Nicely done. And getting ready to level off at 7.5. Wings level, wings level. Beautiful.
Just 16, recall me Avalon approach 133.55.
A slightly higher altitude, just a tad.
133.55, just start accept.
And make sure it's trimmed, that attitude's coming back up again.
Yeah, I'm trying to get back up.
Perfect. Awesome, maintaining 350, just watch that heading. Alrighty. So we've got Melbourne Airport off to there, we can see these flashing strobes indicating that's runway 4. Got
Bravo Sierra Victor, continue on the heading, contact approach 132.0.
Approach 132.0, Bravo Sierra Victor.
with this one, it's just going to be Bravo Sierra Victor, approach Bravo Sierra Victor, maintaining 7,500.
Melbourne approach, Bravo Sierra Victor maintaining 7,500.
Bravo Sierra Victor approach today, continue heading 350.
350, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, and I can offer you lower levels if you prefer, let me know.
We're happy here, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor.
Awesome. And why don't we use the autopilot while we're doing this? So, autopilot engage.
Yep, so autopilot.
And heading mode. Beautiful.
And alt.
Mode. Now, did you say the electric trim was broken?
Yep.
So it may not, it actually uses, oh, you just mean the switch is broken?
Yeah, just the switch.
Cool, that's all good then. Very good.
We'll see.
Most likely, yep. We'll see, which is slightly to the...
Wallen.
Yep.
Bravo Sierra Victor, turn further left heading 330.
Turning left 330, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Beautiful.